All right, if you're into offshore fishing and you're not scared of a project, this boat is for you. This is a 34-foot aluminum hull striker. That's right, aluminum hull, 100% aluminum, no wood, no fiberglass anywhere in this boat. It's all aluminum, all welded aluminum, one-piece hull. This is a very unique design striker built in Sweden and actually shipped over here to the United States. This is a Canyon Runner by Striker. It's a 34-foot boat, as I mentioned. It is got a cabin, all aluminum. Everything's aluminum. The deck was aluminum. We've taken the deck out. It's all part of checking out the entire hull. Even the tanks, the fuel tanks, are built into the hull here. Now, this is a great boat for cutting the water. Notice down in the front, I'm going to put a little red arrow there. Right down there in the front, right there, there's a little lip there. That lip acts as a wave rail, kind of just to push the waves out to the side. So this deep V boat can go through 7-foot seas and never take any water over the bow. Very dry boat. It's powered by twin Detroit 671 non-aspirated Detroit diesels. These motors have been rebuilt by Detroit Diesel back in 2008, but they've been sitting ever since. So anybody picks this project up, you want to go ahead and turn those by hand and have a diesel mechanic look at them again, because they have been sitting since they've been rebuilt. They do have oil in them and such, but they should be turned by hand first, because I'm sure it's all settled down into the pans. Brand new transmissions. These transmissions have never ever been used. These are ZF Hearth. They're one-to-one transmissions, which is perfect for the low RPM on the 671 Detroits and all the torque that they put out. You can put a very big prop on this boat and burn very little fuel. That was the whole idea of this project, to put a fishing boat together that we can go out and burn very little fuel with. There's a ZF80A. That's what these transmissions are. And we bought the continuous run for the long haul, so we can take it over to Bahamas, cruise to the islands, and of course be trolling all day long with it. It's designed for fishing. Now, if you look at the specs on the continuous model, on the definitions for the ZF Hearth transmissions, you'll see that it's designed for unlimited wear, and for a displacement hull for fishing boats, heavy duty cruising vessels. These transmissions alone, and the best place I could find online, even finding them for sale, looking online, the cheapest price was $4,300 per transmission. So there's over $8,000 worth of transmissions with this project, or with this package. Okay, and there's a side of the view of the boat from the rear side or back side on an angle there. You can see the where the exhausts come out. The fuel tanks are built into the hull on this boat as well. They're all the way in the center of the hull. It carries 400 gallons of fuel. There's a back view down into the cabin. And again, everything's been stripped out of this boat so we can inspect the hull before we painted it. It's brand new paint on the bottom and the sides. It's all brand new. Gel coat on the top, and of course bottom paint on the bottom. There's another angle for you. Very, very sharp looking boat. This boat, brand new, or not brand new, or fixed up, remodeled, would be over $150,000 boat. The transmissions, like I said, worth over $8,000. Those motors are worth over $22,000. I'm willing to sacrifice this whole project right now, because I know I'm never going to finish it, for $15,000. Now that's a steal.